Hello, and thank you for tuning in. My name is Matt Bergman. I am the Global Business Manager for our sealant and adhesive dispensing equipment. Our equipment is used across a variety of applications and industries, and today I'm going to highlight a particularly interesting subject. In February 2021, my team launched the Voltex Dynamic Mix Valve for use with foaming polyurethanes, foaming silicones, and other hard-to-mix chemistries. Foam dispensing inherently comes with many challenges. There are two specific challenges that I want to discuss in this video: mix repeatability and process control. First, mix repeatability is a big challenge for dispensing foams. To create the chemical reaction that results in desirable foam cell structure, process controls and dispensing hardware must work in complete harmony with each other. One particular challenge is to ensure that each iota of material gets mixed thoroughly and consistently from shot to shot. Another way to say it, the materials need to be mixed together in a repeatable way from shot to shot and throughout the shot itself. One feature of the Voltex valve that helps with this consistency is the integrated dispense delay. Integrated dispense delay is a built-in timing control that makes sure that the dynamic mixing element is rotating at its full set point RPM before the dispense valve opens to flow material onto the substrate. By incorporating this delay, the two-component material is mixed at the same RPM at the beginning of the shot all the way to the end of the shot. Without this feature, the beginning of the dispense shot would only be exposed to the acceleration of the mixing element, which isn't equal to the full set point RPM of the process. In this situation, it is a big risk that the beginning of the shot is undermixed, which would result in poor foam quality and ultimately bad quality of the end product. Integrated dispense delay is a built-in feature when the Voltex is integrated with the EFR or HFR meter mix dispense systems. The feature is responsive to your set point acceleration time, so no matter how slow or fast you accelerate the mix element, this feature will give you consistent material mixing at the beginning and throughout the dispense cycle. And now for the second challenge, process control. The inherent nature of these materials are that they foam, expand, and harden or cure, sometimes quite quickly. When this action happens at the wrong moment and the dispensing equipment doesn't detect the issue, the foam quality is at risk. When foam expands and hardens at an unexpected time during production, the first risk is that the rotating mixing element gets stuck in the partially hardened material and simply snaps off near the top of the element. On the next dispense cycle, the material is now no longer being dynamically mixed since the mixing element is no longer connected to the drive shaft of the valve. To prevent this issue from happening, our engineering team did thorough testing on how much torque it takes to snap a mixing element. We found that the torque required to break the element is quite repeatable. So our software engineers invented a great way to prevent mixers from breaking. Each Voltex motor comes hard-coded with a torque limit set just below where we expect the mixing elements will break. When the motor needs to use torque that is higher than the limit in order to achieve its set point RPM, it detects the condition, throws an alarm, and shuts down the system to notify the user that action must be taken. With this feature, there's no more guesswork about if your mixing element is truly rotating or not, and you can be confident that each dispense will get properly mixed. One last feature of the controller that helps prevent broken mix elements is the motor ramp-up time setting. For thicker materials, the motor needs higher torque to achieve the set point RPM. In order to limit this torque as low as possible, the user can slow down the acceleration of the mix element, therefore preventing the system from exceeding the previously discussed torque limit. In summary, these features exist in order to bring stability to your dispensing process. Integrated dispense delay, motor torque limiting, and motor ramp-up time are advanced features of the Voltex Dynamic Mix Valve that make your dispensing projects more repeatable and more reliable. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.